Hi everyone, so I have a review today that I am going to give you guys. I just bought a upholstered platform bed from Lucid on Amazon, and I'm pretty excited about it because our previous bed frame is broken pretty much. The metal bar is bent, and so like the bottom, the foot of the bed's like it's not good. But so I'm really excited for this new platform to put our bed on top of. So this is one where you don't need your box springs anymore. You just put your mattress straight on it and it gives you all the support that you need. So here's what the instructions look like and its title, and I will try to put a picture in here also. Okay, here's the instruction manual. It's Maloof brand upholstered platform bed and the assembly instructions. I bought it through Lucid on Amazon, so it was really easy. It had free Prime shipping, so that was amazing. And here's a completed picture of it ish, drawing I guess. So it doesn't come with the headboard, it's just this bottom with little feet on here. I don't know why those are in the picture, but I'm pretty excited. I got the charcoal color, and so that should match my black furniture, which you can see in my room, sorry for the mess, really well. So we're excited. See how it goes. See, my bed's already stripped and ready to go. Okay, I just unboxed my new upholstered platform bed. So this replaces the metal bars that go under just basic headboard, box spring stuff. And there is the upholstered part all laid out. I'm gonna put the feet on next according to the instructions. I got my instructions, I've got my boards, and I've got all my screws and stuff like that. I made sure everything was there because, oh man, this is pretty big and I would hate to get halfway through and missing something. So it all looks good. Now I'm gonna just start assembling it. Here's a side note as I assemble this platform. So this is the head part, the top part that goes for the platform, and it has holes in the back, so that way if you get a headboard ever, you can attach it to the bottom. So yeah, that's pretty awesome. Okay, so the instructions say you only need a screwdriver, but I'm finding you definitely want a drill. You can do it by hand with a screwdriver, you can, but oh man, that's gonna be a pain. So I got me a drill, and I started out with underneath here these screws there to support this support rod, or just hold in place. I started hand screwing that in, and there's no lead holes or anything like that, so it was kind of hard, and I totally went crooked. I got my drill, went over in here, and I did the other three, and they went straight, really easy, super to do. So if you have a drill, use a drill, not a hand screwdriver. And also, so there's these slats to hold the bed up. It's a slat roll is what it's called. They're all connected, so really easy to lay out. But this, you also have to put screws in every single one of these, and there's no lead holes there either, so which makes it a little bit harder for the screws to go in. But just use a drill. That's really the easiest thing to do. So if you don't have a drill, I'm sure a neighbor has a drill you can borrow. So there you go. A few more screw holes. Okay, so it's finally put together. You definitely want a drill to screw all these screws in, not a hand screwdriver. My hand would be killing right now, and there's a lot of screw holes. So get a drill, get a drill. That's it. But it looks great. I'm excited to see it all put together. Okay, here it is all complete. Apparently I need some decorative pillows to go on my bed because that looks pretty lame, and a headboard. But here is what I want to show you guys is the upholstered platform. And there it is. It's definitely a charcoal color, not black. So my bedspread is black, and you can tell that that's just a touch lighter than black, but it's not too big of a difference, so I like it. It still matches everything in here really well. Dark wood for the legs, and there's about a 3-inch gap under there, so round things aren't going to be sliding under my bed too much. It looks great. I love it. It's very sleek. it'll be great, and it's definitely a big improvement compared to my concave bed. It was concave right here in the bottom, and so there's no box springs under it. It's just a mattress, and as you can see, you can see our body. It's probably time to buy a new bed too. Our body prints in there, but that also happened because of the box springs, because it's two separate box springs for king beds, and so the middle, it's like wood, you know, wood all the way around and then all the way around. So two different box springs, so twin box springs. And the wood in the middle helps to support it, but when you have two people sleeping on it, it also makes the dents and stuff super fun. So there you have it. I'm pretty excited, and our bed will probably even out here soon. So there you have it, the Lucid upholstered platform bed frame. I'll put a link for it down below. So it's not an affiliate link yet, but maybe one day it will be, but it's not yet. Just so it's easier access for you guys to get to. So if you like this video, like it and subscribe. Sometimes I post a lot, sometimes I don't post very often, so you will get notified when I do. So good seeing you guys, and let me know if you have any questions.